And today I'm going to show you a claw trick. So you can go to any claw machine. So here we are. And then once you're here, on my trick, I have two, and one of them you have a higher percent chance of the other, so I'll show you that one first. So here, the second you hit play, you've got to hit space on your keyboard right away. So yes, hit. Hit. And then there's a high chance of you getting it. See? And I have a lot of plushies. Ooh, I've never gotten this. And my other trick is, it's not the spacebar trick, but you have a small percent chance of getting a plushie if you put it in between the one you want. I don't know if this works on this claw machine. I've tried it in the one in my house, which is only penguins. So let's see if it'll work here. Yep, it does. So those are my two tricks. And let's see what we got. Ooh, this is so cute. I've never gotten it. So yeah, here's my den. So, but here's my plush central where I'll be keeping my plushies. So I will see you next time. Bye.